Good afternoon, all of you.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon,
Good
sir.
afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, everyone. So, this is your reasoning class. We were doing which topic in
Good
reasoning?
afternoon, sir.
Can you please tell me? Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
We were doing coding and decoding.
We were doing coding and decoding. Today also we will do
Sir, we
coding.
have not done in notebook, but we have done in chat box.
Sir, can you please rename my short screen as it
I
is given by
I'm
my father name
I'm
Atul
I'm
Saxena.
giving you the permission. You can rename it.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, all of you.
Sir, today can we do quiz like we have to write the question in rough notebook and then do in the chat box like that, not in real
Yes,
notebook.
yes. You can do the question in your copy and give your answer in the chat box. Okay.
Sir, in fair
Don't
or rough?
don't give your answer like this. Give your answer in the chat box.
Okay, sir.
He is asking that we have to write in
Good afternoon, sir.
fair copy or rough copy.
You have to write the questions in the fair copy. Okay. Don't write the questions in your rough copy because this work you have to do in your fair copies, reasoning fair copies. Okay.
Sir, I was almost gone to sleep because I forgot that there is reasoning 8th period also.
Yes, sir. I also have gone to watch TV after this, but has the
Yes.
message.
Yes, sir, I also.
Yes, I know because only Fridays you have the eighth period.
Yes, sir. I was going to switch off my laptop also.
Sir, I
Uh,
was going to Sir, this we don't have to write in notebook.
you wrote it in the last class, na? I think. Don't write it again
Yes,
if
sir.
you have already
Yes,
written
sir.
it
We
in
have
the
to
class.
do. So, sir, we will be doing from previous table only.
Yes, do it from the same because आप एक बार पहले ही बना चुके हो ना. Okay, so I have written all the alphabets, English alphabets and their numerical equivalents. So let me give you the first question for today. I will write the code for the word um, okay, light. Let me take the word light. I will write the code for light. You have to do the coding for the word. I will tell you which word. So the code for light is
Sir, you have written MHHG.
yes, MHHG, MHHG. You do the coding for the word solar. Give your answer in the chat box, not on the
Sir,
mic. Don't give your answer on the mic. Give your answer in the chat box. Do it. There are 22 students in the meeting and only 12 have given the answers. 12 have given the answer. What about the rest? Are they still doing? Rest of you. एक और time. I'm giving you just 1 more minute. Do it. Okay, time up. Let me see the answers. पहले मैं answer बता दूं, then I will check your answers. Okay, let me tell you the answer first. The pattern is simple. Next word, previous word, next word, previous word. This is the pattern. Alternately, we have to do this. L का next letter, sorry, next letter. L next letter of L is M. L के बाद M आता है, so M हो गया. I का previous letter of I is H. Then G का next letter again H. H हो गया. अब H का previous letter is G, so G आ गया. And T का next letter which is U आ गया. Okay, so this is the pattern. Let's do the coding for the word solar. Solar में S का next letter is T, O का previous letter is N, L का next letter is M, A का previous letter Z. Previous मैंने
Yes.
आपको बताया था. Previous letter, whenever you have to write the previous letter of A, you will write Z. Then R का next letter S. So T N M Z S. T N M Z S. T N M Z S. Starting से देखूं किसका सही है. T N M Z S. Gauranshi, correct answer. क्या बात है, very good. First one is Gauranshi. So give the correct answer. T N M Z S. T N M Z S. Second is Rishika. Excellent.
Thank you, sir.
Then third is Atik Singh. Atik Singh will give me a party. He's the third one. Then TNMZS Shaurya Saxena. Shaurya Saxena को भी party देनी है.
Sir,
He is the
coding and
fourth one.
coding is my favorite topic.
Very good.
It's very
Shaurya is the fourth one. Then Ansh Patel. उसके बाद Karamjeet. Karamjeet, how are you? Then Ishika Mittal. उसके बाद बस. These students have given the correct answer. Okay, all of you ready for the next question? Everyone ready? Hargun beta, how are you? Hargun, how are you?
Yes,
Mic मैंने
sir.
ऑफ करा हुआ है क्या? हाँ, how are you Hargun?
Sir, I'm fine.
Fine. आपकी हाइट बढ़ गई है और बढ़ गई हाइट आपकी घर पे?
Yes, sir.
नहीं बढ़ी? क्या?
Sir,
How?
बढ़ गई.
बढ़ गई? कितनी बढ़
Sir,
गई? What is your height now?
excuse me, sir.
हाँ बेटा विवान, पियानो बजा रहे हैं?
5 फुट 2 इंचेस नहीं सर
2 इंचेस?
नहीं सर पहले आप सही बात क्या कर लीजिए
हाँ 5 feet 2 inches हरगुन। अरे अभी से ही वेरी गुड। देख लो बेटा 5 feet 2 inches हो गई हरगुन की हाइट। यहाँ पे किसी की नहीं होगी इस क्लास में। चलो विवान बताओ क्या कह रहे हो? विवान टेल मी।
सर मैं ये कह रहा था सर ना संडे को मुझे ना एक डॉग पालने को मतलब डॉग पालने को था दिया
Dog, you are going to मतलब
Yep.
buy a dog from somewhere.
No sir I have bought a dog
You have bought it
I have bought
last Sunday. You bought it last Sunday. अरे
yes
वाह
sir
congratulations। बहुत अच्छी बात है यार। लेकिन don't take the dog outside these days ना। थोड़ा when you take the dog
yes
outside just be very careful because I have heard कि dogs को भी I think अरे वाह
सर ये देखिए
good यार
ये रहा
very nice। तो बहुत प्यारा सा है छोटा सा cute है।
हम्म,
what's his name? Boy or
सर
girl?
जोजो
जोजो।
सर मेल
वाह जोजो। there was
सर
a
ही इज अ
movie।
मेल
सर
He's a
जोजो
male?
इज माय होम निकनेम।
ओहो
लॉल
इसमें जोजो इज माय निकनेम।
चलो
लॉल
वेरी गुड वेरी गुड बेटा। बहुत अच्छा है बहुत क्यूट है जोजो। आई होप टू मीट हिम someday and I hope to meet you all also someday। so Jojo is how many days? Is of how many days? Jojo is of how many days? Vivan.
विवान
Vivan is busy with Jojo.
sir 1 month and 5 days
1 month 5 days।
sir he was born at
हाँ
16 April 2021
16th April 2021। 16th April, that means he's of 2 months now।
sir my birthday is
18th
also 16th April
18th जून को चल रहा है।
मैम मुझे तो विवान की पेट का नाम पहले से ही पता था जब उसने एक बार स्टेटस पे डाला था तब मैंने उससे पूछा था कि नाम क्या है
Okay, so Vivan when he gets when he becomes 3 months old you will throw a party। Okay,
yes sir yes
चलो
sir
very good। चलिए next question all of you। Yeah the word let's keep the same word। I hope there is no problem। अच्छा चलो let's change the word, otherwise you get a hint if I keep the same word। This is the word AMIT। आपने ये word देखा होगा जरूर। AMITY।
Yes, ma'am. It's a name.
AMITY what is this? कहाँ देखा है ये?
It's our book name. It's our book name. Maths
हाँ
book name.
MIT University Press book publisher's name। Okay, MIT is the word and the code for MIT is ZNRGB ZMRGB is the code for
Ma'am,
MIT।
sir, so
You
simple.
have to give the code for the word class। Give the code for the word class in the chat box। Vivan, where is your house? Where is your home?
sir can it's
Vivan,
the old one comes there the question is before this 67 Can Station Road Bareilly is my address
Kent. It is in Kent। Kent?
yes
Sir, by mistake, I wrote a wrong spelling.
Okay, the correct it. Give the answer in the chat box।
But we have to
Yeah.
use this
But I have
series
sent the
only
answer
which
in
you
the
have
chat box.
used in MIT one.
Sorry, Hargun, what are you asking?
we have to use the same CD in which you have used in MET.
You have to guess the pattern in the word MET. MET को किस तरीके से कोडिंग करा गया है, that you have to guess. You have to
So like
decode it.
Sir, my
that only we have
second
to
answer is my final answer.
in the same manner जैसे MET को कोडिंग की गई है वैसी आपको क्लास की कोडिंग करनी है. Okay.
Sir, my second answer is my final answer.
Okay. I will see it. Vivan, your house is your home is at your home is in Kent.
Yes.
Okay, मैं इसलिए पूछ रहा हूँ ना, जब पार्टी दोगे तो वहाँ आना भी तो पड़ेगा ना मुझे.
Sir, is
इसलिए मैं
my
पूछ रहा हूँ.
answer correct?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Surely come.
Sir, is my answer correct?
Yes, beta. Let me check. Just a minute. Just wait. I will first tell you the correct answer and then I will check all the answers. Okay. First you all give your answer. I will tell it is correct or not. First you all give the answer. So some of you have given, some are left. Many of you have given, some are left. चलिए. I'm telling you the answer of this one. Easy है ये. This is easy.
Yes, sir. Too easy.
This
Yes,
is
sir.
आपको इसमें the opposite position पे जो letter है वो देखना है. Opposite position वाला letter. A के opposite क्या है? Z है. Similarly M का opposite letter देखो. M के opposite में क्या है? N है. I, the opposite letter of I is R. दिख रहा है? ठीक है. तो Z N R. T का opposite letter क्या हुआ? G. T का opposite letter G हो गया.
Yes,
ऐसे ही
sir.
Y का opposite हो गया B. So this is the pattern. Support for class.
Sir, the answer will be XOZ then
X.
double H.
O Z and
Then double H.
double H.
Double S.
X O Z double H. So this is the code. Very good. आप लोग तो मास्टर हो गए हैं कोडिंग में.
Sir.
ये कोई भी अगर यहाँ पर हमारे इंडिया में इतनी बच्चों को कोडिंग सिखाई जा रही है, ये मतलब ये वाली कोडिंग एंड डिकोडिंग, तो ये पाकिस्तान वगैरह से जो भी स्पाइस वगैरह होंगे, they will not be able to do anything. You all will go become raw agents.
Everyone is in the mood of playing with children.
विवान बेटा, चलो लेट मी टेल किसका सबसे पहले करेक्ट आंसर
Yes,
है.
sir.
लेट मी टेल यू
Yes,
दी.
sir.
विवान कुछ नहीं. फर्स्ट इज करण लांबा. वेरी गुड करण, एक्सीलेंट. करण का नाम वैसे रिदिमा लिखा हुआ है, फिर भी मैं समझ गया ये करण है. करण इज द फर्स्ट वन. ऋषिका सेकंड. वेरी गुड. ऋषिका टॉप 5 में रहती हैं हर बार. ऋषिका इज गोइंग टू गिव अ पार्टी बिकॉज शी ऑलवेज गिव्स करेक्ट आंसर. गौरांशी थर्ड.
Sir, you will give me the part.
I will give you a gift. I will give you a prize. Do you
Sir, don't give the phone that the phone dhakkan.
Cover of the phone.
Cover of
अरे यार,
Sir, but you didn't
I will-
send the cover
I-
of phone.
I will give you something else. Okay, don't worry.
And sir, not online chocolates also.
No online chocolate.
Sir, you said that you will send the box of iPhone, but you didn't send the box of iPhone.
I will send it. Actually, COVID, this because of Corona and all, I'm not going out. So I will buy it and then I will send it. I will courier it. Okay. Rishit has given the correct answer. हरगुन बेटा सही करो, गलत हो गया. अक्षित का भी गलत हो गया, सही करिए. अर्षा भी सही करिए. Then Akshit Bhardwaj has given correct. चलिए. Okay, next. I hope you all are able to understand my handwriting. I know it is very poor. My handwriting is very, very bad. But
Sir,
No,
your
sir.
handwriting is nice. Who said your handwriting is poor?
it is, don't tell me. You are just buttering me. I know.
I'm
I know
not,
it is
sir,
very
I'm
bad
not bettering.
handwriting. Yes. Don't tell me I have a very bad handwriting. I know it. No one can say
No,
that
sir,
it
my
is good.
dad has also tell you that the Rasic sir is having the very nice handwriting. My dad
It's
has
just
told me.
so that it's just you are writing on the computer.
Maybe because of that it is looking even worse. Even
No,
Sir, my sir, my writing is more worse than you.
yes, sir, me
okay.
also. My writing is
So
more
there is
worse.
something common in us. All those people who have a bad handwriting, they have a very good brain.
Yes, sir.
And
So
then my
who
brother are
has a
having
bad
a
hand?
poorest handwriting in the world.
And he has a very good brain. See, I told you the people who have bad handwriting, they have a good brain. So all how many of you have a bad handwriting? They will raise their hands.
Sir,
Everyone.
which is
Sir, not bad, but yeah, medium.
Medium.
my handwriting is medium.
Okay. Chalo.
Mine is poor.
Number, the code for number. Very good. Chalo, put your hands down. Hmm. Number.
Sir, my handwriting is normal.
Okay.
Sir, Shorty's line, he always posts for his handwriting because he has a good.
He has good handwriting.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. I'm writing the code for number. Just a wait. Just wait. अभी
फ्री में
बात करते
तारीफ
हैं.
हो गई.
शौर्य के बारे में. अच्छा ये देखिए, हाँ शौर्य का दिमाग भी तेज है. कह रहा फ्री में तारीफ हो गई.
Sir, he did not listen the whole sentence. I said he
नंबर की
posts
कोडिंग
for
आप
his
नंबर में लिख
handwriting.
दीजिए.
ओ
सर नंबर की
यू.
कोडिंग नंबर में लिख दीजिए.
अच्छा नंबर की कोडिंग नंबर में लिख दूंगा. अच्छा चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में करेंगे. वो अभी तो मैंने ये वाला बना लिया कोड. ओके. ओ वी एन नहीं, हाँ एन. जस्ट अ मिनट. ओ वी एन
Sir, I
डी
understood your pet.
ई जी.
Sir, please give some.
दिस इज द कोड. ध्यान से देखना. टी ओ वी एन डी जी. अब तो बहुत इजी हो गया बनाना आपके लिए. सिस्टम की कोडिंग करो. ई ओ वी एन डी जी. Do the coding for the word system. Give the answer in the chat box. This period will get over at 110, 120. Not enough answers. Only 9 answers. इतना डिफिकल्ट है क्या? इजी है. बहुत छोटी सी मैंने एक चीज करी है यहाँ पर बस. चलो हरगुन विल टेल. हरगुन को पता चल गया आंसर. हरगुन
यस सर. सर
Tell
इसमें
them.
सिर्फ 6 का है. हम लोग प्रीवियस से भी करेंगे और नेक्स्ट से भी करेंगे. ऐसा करना है हमें.
Previous or next?
सर मेरा आंसर राइट है. सर कैन यू
Okay,
प्लीज टेल माय आंसर इज राइट और नॉट?
giving you the answer. Okay, and then tell कि किस किस का ठीक है.
सर माय
तो
आंसर.
यहाँ पर
Sir,
कुछ
may I
देखो
tell
नंबर
my
की
answer?
कोडिंग में क्या करा है. n का कोड है o. देखिए n का कोड है o. मैं कलर यहाँ पर शो कर देता हूँ फॉर n. सपोज n का कोड ये है o. नेक्स्ट लेटर लिखा है. n का नेक्स्ट लेटर o आता है. फिर u का कोड मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा है. ध्यान से देखना. पिंक कलर. u का कोड v. ठीक है. देन m का कोड ब्लू कलर. m का कोड ये हो गया n. नेक्स्ट लेटर सब जगह नेक्स्ट लेटर लिखते हैं. ओके. सिमिलरली b का कोड हो गया. अरे यार b का कोड मैंने गलत लिख दिया यार. इसे तो क्वेश्चन b का कोड शुड बी c. मैंने गलती से d लिख दिया.
Sir, I was
The
also
code.
confused because of that.
The code for b is
Sir, I am confused
by
about
mistake
this question.
because by mistake I wrote d. b का कोड यहाँ पे c होगा. ओके.
Yes, sir, that is why I was
Sir,
confused.
why?
It is going
Sir,
to
I
be
have
F.
done like that only.
कोड फॉर e will be f.
B, D and E.
f बातें कर रहे थे हम लोग इसलिए गलत हो गया. कोड फॉर e is f.
Sir,
Okay.
so my whole answer is will
N
be
O
wrong now.
U V M N B C and E F.
It is going to be S in the first.
R का जो कोड है that will be S and वो हमें स्टार्टिंग में लिखना है. ओके. S. वैसे भी ये वाली कोडिंग भी हो
Sir,
सकती
you
है.
only wrote the wrong question.
Yes. I'm sorry for that.
Sir, but the sir, but the previous one can it is also be code also as a for
अगर वो क्वेश्चन होता तो भी आंसर निकाल सकते थे. स्टार्टिंग के 3 लेटर्स में
Yes, sir, I have done.
3 letters में skipping one letter and then writing the
रबड़ नहीं
last
लाया,
letter
वरना
in
कैसे
the first position. Okay. So system का code I am writing the code for system. Look at this. T Z T U F N. N is starting में आ जाएगा. N T Z T U F. N T Z T U F. This is the code for system.
Sir, but
Yes,
for the previous one of coded, the answer should be O T Z T V G.
हाँ
When
वो
you-
अगर हमने
You don't have solved C and F.
हाँ yes. So that was a
not fair.
This question was
mistake.
confusing. I am not able to understand the answer.
No problem, beta. It was actually there was a mistake in the question. Okay. चलो कोई बात नहीं.
Yes, sir, this is very, 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 very confusing.
Yes.
It
Okay,
was
next
super
question.
confusing.
Next question. Next question is value. Small में लिख रहा हूँ मैं value. Value. The code for value is 22 Z 12 F5. 22 Z. This is Z. Okay. ये Z है. ठीक है. 22 Z 12 F5 and you have to make the code for the word careful. Write the answer in the chat box. जल्दी से. Time coming. Okay, I'm giving you the code for careful. C3 Z R18 EV F6 UF L L12. This is the code. 3Z18V6F12. Let's see. अच्छा, सबसे पहले देखें. Oh my God, ऋषिका अग्रवाल is first. तो पार्टी पक्की है, ऋषिका पार्टी देगी. Second is Rishit Srivastav. Again, yours is also correct. Gauranshi, wow, Gauranshi, very good, correct. Argun, that 18 V कहाँ गया? Argun. अक्षित नहीं है, गलत है. अंशुमान सही है. समृद्धि सही है, वेरी गुड. अक्षित करेक्ट. अर्श पटेल करेक्ट. अर्श पटेल ने लेकिन अभी दिया है, बाद में मेरे बताने के बाद. सो ऑल ऑफ यू वेरी गुड, दोज हु हैव गिवन द करेक्ट आंसर.